how to permanently delete a Facebook page. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is select the menu button in the Facebook app to the left of the Facebook logo at the top. Then once that opens up, all you need to do, you see your name right here, select the arrow drop down, and we just want to select the Facebook page that we want to permanently delete. So once you do that, it's going to switch to that Facebook page, and you should see the Facebook page icon down in the bottom right now. Now all we need to do is select the little menu button in the top left again, and then go down and you'll see settings and privacy, select settings and privacy, and then just select settings. And you should see a little warning that this is not your main profile. We are actually switched to the profile for our Facebook page. What we need to do in the settings for that Facebook page is simply scroll down until you get to the section Your Information and select Access and Control. You'll then see Manage Page Status. And now all we need to do is find Delete Page and then select it. From there, select Continue, then just select Continue again. And then it'll give you some information about how to save your post or download your information. Select Continue again. You'll need to enter your Facebook account password, then select Continue. They may ask you to confirm one more time, but after that, you will have permanently deleted your Facebook page and it cannot be recovered. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.